Yo, what's good, my people? I'm OG. I'm back, and I haven't posted in a minute, but it's cool. We're here now. We're here today because of the prop firm called Topstep. Now, if you don't know what a prop firm is, it's basically a company that gives you a simulated account, and on that account, you've got to hit a certain profit target while staying within their rules. And once you do that, they give you a funded account, and then with that funded account, you can trade with their money and not yours, so you don't have to risk your own capital. So I documented all of my trades to show you guys, what trades I took, why I took them, and hopefully, you can learn something from it. If you are here to learn something from it, then grab a notepad. If not, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So this is the trade report. You can see on the right the rules that we have to stick to and the objectives we need to hit. We'll be coming back to this after each trading day to review how much progress we've made. As you can see, there's a graph here that gives us a pretty clear indication of where we're at, where our stop loss has moved up to, and how much more we need to make to hit our profit target. Right then, my people, so coming into the first trade of this challenge, the setup we took here is what I like to call the OGV. Now the OGV is basically a variant of the reversal head and shoulders pattern, except the head is like very extended, and as you can see it's kind of a long spike down with a long spike back up. I entered on that right shoulder, got stopped out immediately, but then as it was coming back up, I re-entered. Then it broke the neckline of the OGV, which then I added another 2 contracts on, expecting it to kind of play around with where that swing high is. You can see I've just drawn it there. As we approached these highs, I was a bit skeptical whether it was going to break through or kind of bounce off it. Being in good profit, I thought it was a good time to lock the trade off. So after that good trade, I kind of left it there. These are the results. You can pause the screen if you want to have a look at it, but pretty much made $1,200 in just under 20 minutes, so I was really happy with that. So here's the trade report, guys. Once again, just pause the screen because I don't want to keep you here for too long, but you can see roughly the stats from that day. Straight into day 2, the first trade here is again another kind of head and shoulders pattern. You can see the market's been making highs, and I think it's going to go retest the highs. So from the right shoulder, I expected it to go at least retest that previous swing high again, a bit like the previous trade, and yeah, made I think around $500 on this one. On to the second trade of the day now. You can see price kind of bounced off them highs from the previous trade I was talking about. As it came down to the lows, I thought it was going to do the same kind of range movement, so I entered again and I was wrong, and market just kept going lower, so that one was a loss. On to the third trade now, and as you can see, the market did eventually sell off. At the top of the screen now, you can see the range that we was previously trading in. As the market was selling off, I was kind of looking for a way to go short, and the way I find that is through a pullback. You can see I entered on that pullback up to the EMA, and it kind of went all the way down near my take profit and then decided to come all the way back up. Eventually though, it did come back down and managed to make a nice profit on this one. So there you go, guys, that was day number 2 complete. Another good day, to be honest. Total profit of $1,122.52, so pretty happy with that, and yeah, on to the next. So here's the report. As you can see, it says 50k as our current balance, but it's capping at the top there. But there you can see it's 52,320. So yeah, this was a Friday, so obviously you can't trade over the weekend. So we're just looking forward to that Monday morning. Right, disclaimer, guys. This is just a sneak peek of where my head was at on that Sunday evening.
This is me on the Sunday. We're up 2,400 on the evaluation account. We got to get it to 3k. We're gonna do it on the Monday tomorrow. Let's get it. This is for future me.
So yeah, you can see it's pretty clear. I was manifesting getting this challenge complete and was excited for the week ahead. After starting this week so positive, it didn't work out so good on the first couple trades. So as you can see, it's made a bullish run and kind of traded right through that resistance zone. So therefore I'm thinking, right, that resistance is now going to turn into support and we're going to come bounce off it. So I entered it and the market thought, nah, fuck you, I'm going to take you out. So it did, and then me being greedy, I thought, oh, definitely going to go up again. So I re-entered and the market just said nope, and again. and yeah, it took me out. So we started that day with 2 losing trades. Right guys, you may have noticed there's another trade that I was just an idiot and forgot to record. As you can see, the blue arrows are where I'm buying and the orange arrows on the candlesticks is where I'm selling the contracts. I'll pause the video so you can see it quick, and I'll circle it just so you know. And yeah, made the kind of profit which kind of took out the 2 losses that we previously had, so that was good. Onto this 4th trade, I've kind of figured out that market was really overextended from the 10k chart. Obviously I trade on the 2k chart, but looking on the bigger picture, yeah, it did look overextended and was looking for kind of the market to come back to the EMA. So the reason I shorted at the top there, because like I said, market seemed overextended. I liked the lower high it gave me after the big previous high, which then broke through the trend line, and I knew once it broke through that trend line, a lot more traders were looking to short as well with me. It came to this level of resistance, so I ended up taking out for a good profit again. Trade number 5 now, and I was looking to go long. Thought we was going to kind of make a double bottom here to just continue to rise back up, because the market had come back to the EMA. Now you can see on the left of the screen is the 10k chart, which is the bigger picture. So I took a long. Unfortunately it didn't work out. I was a bit eager to take this long, but I think it's because I was close to my profit target and maybe, you know, my rules kind of went out the window a bit. Stepping up to trade 6 now, and you might notice that it's really fast. It's basically because I had to speed up this trade by like 10,000% because it was like an hour long. It came off that area of resistance, that trend line as well, but then price decided to just go on a little chop, and yeah, so I was just sitting around for ages just waiting for the market to hit my take profit, because once it hit that, you can see it says challenge pass and would have been us done. It played around at the top and then eventually went down and took me out. So after that long wait on that trade, we was finally done, completed the challenge, just under $700 on the day, and yeah, I was happy. So there it is guys, there's the final report. You can see we smashed it, just over 53k. No winning days as well. You can see there's a 100% winning day rate, which I was really happy with because it's all about consistency. So yeah, we smashed it. So here's the certificate of becoming a funded trader through Topstep. Obviously got my name and stuff on it. Yeah, I was pretty proud of myself for achieving this. I've been doing this for about 4 years now, so it was a long time coming. I also want to say thank you for getting this far in the video. I really appreciate it. I know there's not many traders out here that kind of show this side of prop firm trading and, you know, from start to finish. So I thought I'd try and do something different, give it out to the people, because I know, you know, it would have helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yeah, on to the next one. Just before I head out, here's a live reaction of when I actually passed the challenge. So I can't play the whole thing because I was just doing too much, but yeah, enjoy this little snip. Challenge passed. Let's go!